This is how to fix your Roblox game chat not working. Welcome to the video. I would greatly appreciate if you left a like on the video if it helped you out. Without further ado, I will show you the simple solution to your issue. So let's dive right in. As you can see, it says here that your chat settings prevent you from sending messages. First thing, leave your game. Go to the Roblox home screen, then go to your More option on the left. Then you want to select Settings. Make your way to Privacy. Also, right here in voice chat, you can either turn on or off your microphone. But back for what the reason you're here is. Experience chat will be where you find the setting to turn on and off your voice chat. Follow what I do on screen to enable it. As you can see, you now have voice chat. Thanks for watching. And did you leave a like?